I'm Tim Pennington with Products Finishing Magazine. I'm here with Paul Springer from SpringCo Metal Coatings in Cleveland. Paul, this is a huge facility. Tell us a little bit about the size, the size of this whole structure you have.
This facility here is 250,000 square feet, 11 acres. I have two other ones, so total square footage is 350,000 square feet, and it sits on 18 acres inside the city limits of Cleveland, Ohio.
Right. And how many actual physical buildings is that?
It's about 12 different buildings that have been built over many years.
So Paul, talk a little bit about what operations that you perform in all of your facilities here.
We basically have three distinct operations and a couple of minor ones. The major ones are electroplating, electrocoating, and powder coating. And then we do various combinations. We do parts that are electroplated, electrocoated, and powder coated, all three coatings on one part. In addition to that, we have a small phosphatizing and acid pickle operation.
Correct. Now we're standing right near your brand new washer you put in last year. Talk a little bit about that, because that was really an engineering marvel that you all put together for that.
We put in to meet General Motors' 15-year corrosion requirements. We put in a spray acid pickle inline washer where we can turn the acid stage on and off depending on what parts are going through. So if the parts require 15-year corrosion, we turn the acid stage on. The washer is 335 feet long and 15 stages.
Your total volume of parts it has to be in the millions. How many are you doing at this?
Last year we did 84 million parts.
Wow. Mostly for what type of industry?
A lot of truck, a lot of automotive, a lot of appliance, and some non-automotive parts, but most of it is truck parts and automotive parts, probably 80%.
Paul, this facility has grown to you have over 250 employees. I saw outside you have about 200 semi-trucks come a day hauling away parts that you've coated. When you started this over 40 years ago, did you ever expect it to get this big?
No, not really. Not really. There hasn't been really a plan in place to do that. A lot of the 42 years, a portion of them was surviving. Right. Surviving recessions and all kinds of stuff like that. But no, I did not have a plan to get this big. But I have a lot of good people. I have the best people in the industry.
Right. You've had people here for literally decades.
Decades and decades. If you're not here 20 years, you're a newbie.